Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number 17 of the Huetopian Dream palette focus. It's such a bad hair day. I need to get these curls under control. Huetopian Dream number 17 palette focus. Last video I did Night Creature. This video, I'm taking it way back to using this. This palette is so beautiful. This quad. Ooh, that does stuff to me. Oh. Anyways, we're going to focus on the Blitz purple. I think that's what the shade was for this one. I don't know. As usual, it'll be right over here. This duochrome is actually, I forgot about this. I always forget about this one. But as usual, we are going to be mainly using things here. Blitz Extreme, and this will be on top. Astral Amethyst Moon, Astral Noir. This Astral Amethyst Moon, I believe, is going to go on top of the Blitz Purple, because I'm very curious as to what that's going to look like. Without further ado, let me go and prep my eyes, and we will get this shindig on the road. And yes, it is sunny for now. No telling how long that will be in the Netherlands. But let me go prep my eyes. Still using the Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer from Fenty Beauty. And I will still continue to use the Becca Concealer for my concealer. I think I'm going to hold off on the Charlotte Tilbury's beautiful skin highlighter concealers as well. Yeah, I'm going to hold off on those for a bit. But yeah, let me go prep my eyes. We'll get this show on the road. Oh my god, my bags. All right, so eyes are oh, I am so ready for summer. Eyes are prepped with the eyeshadow pro filter, Fenty Beauty's eyeshadow pro filter primer. Wow, that was hard. Since I do want this to be somewhat really smoky and intense, I am thinking of possibly starting off with Extreme Plum Noir. If you hear those bells, it's noon. Do I want to do Extreme Plum Noir? Secret Eden, Shockwave, Extreme Plum Noir. Do I? Yes, Extreme Plum Noir first, but going in with a fluffy brush, and this is gonna be the focus on the crease mainly. This Extreme Plum Noir is such a beautiful shade. Like I said before, I'm very surprised still that this actually has some intensity to it. Or how you can also build it up to a certain intensity is also really nice. But it does remind me a lot of the other plum type of browns that she has in her collection. Why am I talking so quietly all of a sudden? But I am very excited that we got up to 17 tutorials so far. I definitely have... Is it 17? Yeah, 17. I think I probably have 2 more ideas in my mind to finish this palette, because I'm also thinking of maybe doing a review after I get done with these tutorial palette focus moving forward of my thoughts on this. But we shall see, because I just mainly want this to be a tutorial page for you all. See, look at how beautiful that is and how intense that could build up to. Oh, having different eye-shaped eyelids is not the vibe at the moment. Perfect. All right, so that is on. And I am actually going to go in with the blush brush and just begin to floof out the edges as much as I possibly can. because I want to. Oh, this brush is just so relaxing. Perfect. Actually, I'm like, do I even have a bigger fluffer brush for the eye area? Not necessarily. Let's use this one. Perfect. And I'm actually going to go ahead and just add a little bit more into the edges. The outer veil. Because after this, I got to go to the gym. It's a beautiful Sunday. And I need to finish filming the Fenty Beauty palette focus this week. Oh, see, that lighting's amazing. Gets rid of my dark circles, my bags under my eye. The thing about, it's all about angles. Angles, angles, angles. Playing with the light. This is, oh, I love it. Anyways, leave it at that. Going into the Skin Show Nude for the brow bone. I would love to scrape some of this off and just maybe put it in the foundation. Maybe. Oh, to get an all-over glow for this look. Perfect. Just go back into that Plum Noir because I want it to be nice and smoking the outer edges. Perfect. Just adding some extra smokers thing. Perfect. Now, onto the Blitz Purple. I'm pretty sure it's Blitz Purple. Let's start off with the brush first. See what that will do. And then maybe move to it's one of those purples that are just captivating with the black base. I feel like this with Purple Rain, maybe Purple Rain as the base and then this blown out in the crease. I just need to do a series on all the purples of Pat McGrath maybe that I have. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at what it's doing to my brown eyes. Oh, purples and blues for brown eyes are a must every now and then. This kind of reminds me of Urban Decay. What is it? Psychedelic Sister, I think. But this has more of a black base. And then I'm actually going with my finger to really saturate, pack on that color. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yep, we're getting there. And then going back with that fluffy brush that we used earlier for the Plum Noir Extreme. Get into that purple and just gently into the crease. Oops, I accidentally put into the gold. But just get it right up in there. Just shimmy on in. Shimmy, shimmy. Oh, this purple is gorgeous. Oh, man. Perfect. Now, into this. Oh, look at that. It just, it's so beautiful every time. Oh my God. This has to be experienced in person. This is all sorts of yummy deliciousness. Oh my God. This is like looking up into the night sky, into the galaxy. Far, far away. Oh my word. Like this really just emphasized. There you go. Tutorial number 17. It's just so beautiful. And I'm debating if I want to do a wing, but I really just want this to have its moment. I want it to be seen. I want it to be heard because this is gorgeous. Tutorial number 17, Huetopian Dream. This palette is just, I just can't with this palette. Man, like, I do think, this palette I would buy just for this shade specifically. And I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. No liner, because I really want this to have a moment. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. You guys will see the final look in a moment. I think for foundation, I will continue to use the beautiful Skip 8 Warm by Charlotte Tilbury to give me some color. But you guys will see the final look in a moment. Here is the final look. It's just so euphoric in every way, shape, and form. Yeah, tutorial number 18, not 17, 18, because I forgot to make the little mini videos for tutorial 17 that I did. So this is actually tutorial number 18. Forgot. Definitely got 2 more tutorials to do after this, but for the most part, this is this Nocturnal Nirvana. This purple is definitely a type of purple that is, I am glad to have it in my kit. I actually went ahead and did a little bit of contour. I completely forgot I had this brush. I don't know if anybody remembers this. This is from Stila. This is their, basically when the whole cream contour craze was going on. So I used this side. I forgot how much this packs on a lot of color. And for the contour, I actually used the Caviar Ebony. It's basically went like this. Tapped it on, buffed it out basically. So contour is Fenty Beauty's Ebony. Matchsticks, whatever thingy. Blush is Love Struck? Nope. Love Struck from Pat McGrath. Very beautiful, beautiful color. It looks really intense, but if you use the Pat McGrath blush brush, this brush really allows you to control your what is the word I'm looking for? It really makes you helps you to control the wow, why can I not think of the word right now? It just helps you to have control, basically. Buildability of the pigment. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Jesus, come on, Cyrus. English, please. And then I went ahead and did a little bit of bronzer from the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Bronzer in number 3. No highlighter. Just keeping that very, very chill. Lips is just lip gloss with Pat McGrath Opulous Gloss in Pale Fire Nectar. Loving that lip gloss a lot, really. So yeah, this is look number 18. Concealer is Becca Tahini. Foundation. I actually did some setting of the light medium 2 from Pat McGrath, setting sprays, airbrush flawless setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Tutorial number 18. I am loving this because the foundation gives a nice subtle glow from within, which is really nice. So I didn't want to emphasize more of that highlight. But for the most part, this purple amethyst, astral amethyst moon on top. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Up close, look at that texture. But I hope you guys are enjoying this. 18 tutorials so far with the Huetopian Dream. This is definitely a palette I'm glad I have, and I'm definitely going to keep it around for a while because of the special shades in this. This next tutorial I'm going to do, actually I kind of want to give a sneak peek right now, is Gigabyte. I'm very curious of how this will look from the Subversive palette. This is Gigabyte. Look at that. It's just such a lime, like a green tone antique type of gold. And on top of Gigabyte, I actually want to do Venetian Orchid Noir, Astral Amethyst Moon, Astral Venusian Orchid, I think. I don't. As usual, I'll have it up. That's what this one looks like. I mean, oh. So on top of Gigabyte is what? That is, wow, this could be a look. That is euphoric also. That is going to be tutorial number 19. And I do have another tutorial in mind. I'm not going to share what it's going to be, but that will be a surprise. So 18 tutorials. I hope you guys are enjoying this palette focus. Many more palette focuses to come. Other tutorials to come. Foundation tutorials, skin tutorials, how to make it look like you wear nothing type of tutorials, what I specifically do for my photo shoot tutorials, for my models, how I do all of that stuff. But you guys are amazing. Keep it up. I'm gonna go try to enjoy the sun and take some really good pictures, and I'll see you guys next video.